Presenting a pre-owned 2024 GMC. This four-door truck has engine, with four-wheel drive and a one-speed direct-drive transmission. This GMC is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 58 miles per gallon in the city and 46 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include Sport Package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.